weathered face. Out on the water, his favorite place. With a grunt and a groan, he steers his boat. But today's the day it won't stay afloat. Pete's boat is sinking, going down, down, down. Pete's boat is sinking, old man's gonna drown. Pete's boat is sinking, going down, down, down. With a grunt and a sniff, he might just survive somehow. Stands on the distant shore. Pete follows her scent like he's done before. He sniffs the air with peculiar glee. It's a strange connection that you won't believe. The water's rising, the engine's dead. Pete's still grunting, face turning red. He thinks of Catherine and takes a breath. One last sniff before his potential death. Pete's boat is sinking, going down, down, down. Pete's boat is sinking, old man's gonna drown. Pete's boat is sinking, going down, down, down. With a grunt and a sniff, he might just survive somehow. A lifetime of grunting, a lifetime of sniffing around. Catherine's peculiar fragrance is what keeps Pete in town. Grunt, grunt, sniff, sniff, grunt, grunt, sniff, sniff, grunt, grunt, sniff, sniff. Pete's going down with his ship. Old man Pete and his sinking boat, still grunting and sniffing as they both float. Some connections are strange, but they're all we've got. As Pete's boat sinks and the water gets hot.